Forex trading in the Philippines is a relatively new concept, with only a handful of brokers and traders operating in the market. Although Forex trading is a popular way to increase your investment portfolio, Filipinos have a relatively tiny chance to take benefit of Forex as it is not allowed in the Philippines. However, you can still trade via international brokers using some tricks. This video will provide you with a list of the best Forex broker in the Philippines that is operated by other regulated countries. However, before you dive in, it's important to understand the basics and the risks involved. Forex trading platforms Philippines is no different than any other country. Certain risks come with the territory. But with a little bit of research and proper planning, you can be on your way to success in the Forex market. You can also visit topfxbrokersreview.com for more Forex-related information. Best Forex brokers in Philippines list. There are many Forex brokers available in Philippines, but the best Forex brokers in this list are FP Markets, FX Pro, FX Choice, IC Markets, XM, FBS Markets, HF Markets, AXI, Pepperstone, Anoanda, and for more information about the brokers you can visit topfxbrokersreview.com. Also, you can open an account with this best Forex broker by using the link in the description below. You should know that the Philippine Securities and Exchange Commission released an advisory in 2016 and 2018 saying that foreign exchange trade was not legal. However, many of the clients who use the top Forex brokers in the Philippines continue to trade. It is not an issue that has cut into how the market works. Trading still happens. The top Forex brokers list is your best bet at finding the best people to work with. We know the top Forex brokers in the Philippines worldwide because of international reputation. Most of the ones listed here are the best Forex brokers in the Philippines. They are competent and regulated from at least one major regulator. Most of the top Forex brokers in the Philippines are available online in English. FXC is the only known broker that offers information in Tagalog, Filipino, the native language. According to the Securities and Exchange Commission of the Philippines, Forex trading is illegal in Philippines. Hence, there is no local broker in the Philippines and international brokers may not operate lawfully either. You must use an international Forex broker to make your trades if you do want to open an account and trade on your own behalf. This means that a Filipino individual can only trade Forex trading sites on their behalf by using a foreign investor's account and funding it. The Philippine Securities and Exchange Commission has spelled out in their official memorandum that dealing with transactions inside the Philippines is not allowed. Forex trading is a type of investment that comes with the potential to generate high rates of return. In the Forex market, buyers and sellers exchange currencies. As a result, markets are open 24 hours a day and money can be traded anytime throughout the day. Nearly every country in the world plays some role in this daily global currency exchange. Still, there are specific countries whose banking and trade regulations allow them to issue more Forex-related instruments than others. These include Canada and Australia as examples of countries where banks can offer various currencies for trade through their institutions. However, it is different for the Philippines. You will need to open Forex accounts via anyone living abroad using their name and identities. They can deposit for you, perhaps trade for you. Moreover, you might be able to trade using your computer. But you cannot with any funds to the Philippines. Trading in the Forex market is a 24-hour-a-day, 5-business-day-per-week process. If you want to trade currencies, then you need to be aware of what is happening in the market at all times, or follow a Forex trading strategy that is able to trade for you. You should invest in financial instruments that are appropriate to your risk tolerance, and this will determine the level of investment capital required. Although the Forex market stays open 24/7, it is not great to trade anytime. Depending on the location, you should trade when some big markets open, such as New York, London, Tokyo, etc. To trade on Asian session, mainly Tokyo, the best time would be 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. Philippine time, and 4 p.m. to 12:30 a.m. Philippine time for the European market, London, and 8 p.m. to 4 a.m. Philippine time for New York. Whether you are an experienced trader looking for a shortcut to success or someone who is just starting out, there are certain basics that you should know. The first one has to do with risk. When you are trading currencies on the exchange, there are always two sides to every trade, the take and the loss. The take is what you get to keep, while the loss is what you give back. This means that every time a trade happens, even a loss, you still have money to trade with. You can use this for deciding which currency pair and which time of day to bet on. The second thing that traders need to know is how much leverage they want on their system. Forex traders have a great deal of flexibility in terms of how much leverage they want on their trades, but that also means that they have to be careful about how much risk they are willing to take. When you are trading with leverage, you are trading with borrowed money and will eventually have to pay it back. The third thing traders need to remember is their position size. Position size refers to the number of units traded relative to your account size. When you buy Forex, you will have to decide how much money you want to risk trying out a trading strategy. The Forex market can be a highly dynamic place with lots of action in the Philippines. You need to develop a strong understanding of how it works, and then understand the best way to approach trading for maximum profits. If you're looking for help, then it's best to consult an expert who can walk you through the process from beginning to end. This way, you'll be able to find out how to trade Forex in Philippines and which Forex brokers in Philippines to choose from. In case you are interested in trying out Forex trading strategies, there are many best Forex brokers available online that offer to trade for the Filipinos. And for more information about the brokers, you can visit topfxbrokersreview.com.